Welcome guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Zoom Cloud Meeting and Desktop. If you don't know how to download and install Zoom Cloud and Desktop, I have already created one tutorial that the link is on the description below. You can open and watch how to download and install Zoom and PC. Okay, there is three options that how you can sign in. You can sign in with SSO. You can sign in with Google if your Google is already open, and also you can sign in with your Facebook. So I'm going to use with my email address. So now I'm going to write my email address in here and my password. If you check this box, so it will keep you sign in. If you not check box, if you sign out from or close this app, the next time you will again write your email address and password and then sign in the application. Okay, and now I'm going to type my password. After sign in, you will see this background. There are four tabs. Inside of all of them there is a menu. Okay, let's see what's inside this. If you click in here, there is a box. If you check the box, it means you start your meeting with video. So if you check this box, use my personal ID. If you want to check or not check, this is your ID meeting. You can copy by clicking in here. You can copy this. So this is if you want to copy the invitation, and this is PMI setting. So let's go inside. What's this inside? Okay, there is personal meeting ID setting. This is your meeting ID. If you check this box, it means that if your friend joined to the meeting, they need to the password. So you have to type in here a password and then send to your friend that he can use this password to join the meeting. Okay, let's jump to the video. As a host, now your video is on. You can off and on. As your participant, your video is off. You can also on or off. So I'm not going to change this. Okay, for the audio, you can choose for the telephone, or you can choose for the computer audio, or you can choose the telephone and audio computer. So when you set up this and then click to save. Okay, this was the new meeting. Okay, what's the join? If your friend requests send you a request to join to the meeting, from here you can join to the meeting. If you click to in here to join to the meeting, and here ask you the meeting ID, and also in here you have to write your name and then turn on and off your audio, and then here turn off and on your video, and then you can, if you set up this and then you click to the join, and then you will join to the meeting. Okay, what is schedule? Suppose that you want to create a meeting with your friend or your college or student like this. So you before that you create a schedule in here. So if you click in here, there is you can type the topic of the meeting. So I'm going to type English class. So from here you can choose the day, what day you want to create a topic. For example, I'm going to tomorrow, and from here you can select the time, what time, and then the duration of the meeting. From here you can choose 1 hour up to 24 hours. It's up to you and depend to your topic, or you can just 15 minutes or 30 minutes, 45 minutes. You can select like the 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Okay, meeting ID generated automatically, and personal meeting ID, this is the ID. I'm not going to change, and now this is the password. If I invite my friend, if I give this number and this password, he can join with me in the meeting. So for the video again, you want to on or off for the host, and for the participant you can on and off for the participant the video. and audio also as well. For a telephone, you can on for telephone or computer, or you can on for both of them. So this is the calendar, Outlook, Google Calendar, other calendar. You can choose one of this calendar and then click to schedule. So let's see what's inside the advanced option. There are four options that up to you to want to enable or not. Enable meeting room, enable join prefer host, or mode participant on entry, or also automatically record meeting on the local computer. So it's up to you to want to check this box or not. It's depend to your meeting. After setting all this, and then click to schedule. So now I'm not going to make a schedule, so let's cancel. What is share screen? Let's see what's inside this. Oh, it needs to meeting ID, so let's copy the meeting ID from here. So let's copy and then let's click to this and then right click and paste and then share. Okay, there is a 3 tap inside this share button. So there is a screen. If you want to share your screen with your participant, that it shows this screen. Whiteboard, I really like this feature and Zoom. Later we will talk more about this. So this is the iPhone or iPad if you want to share to, and this is a 2-page open in my desktop. It's allow me to share this 2-page also if I want to. So let's go to the advanced, and here there is if you want to share the portion of screen, and also if you share the content of the second camera if you have to. So let's jump to the file. Inside this, there is, if you want to share a file from inside the Dropbox or OneDrive or Google Drive or Box. So let's close this. Okay, let's see what's inside the chat. So if you open this, there is some menu, stated message, contact request, all files, and also this my name, and there's recent and also the app. Okay, from here you can send text to the host, and also you can text privately the specific participant if you want to. Later I will show the advanced setting how to send text privately. So this is a screenshot. If you want to screenshot and send the screenshot to the text box like this, and then enter. When you send this your message or everything, if you send, they can deploy from here. They can deploy to your message, and also they can react to your message. If you click to file, you can share your file also in the chat area. So you can share your file from Dropbox, and also your OneDrive, and also you can share from Google Drive, or you can share your file from your computer. If you click this, this box will open, and then you will find your file and then open, and then you can share your file in the text box area also. Okay, later I will show you the advanced setting about the chat. So now let's jump to the meeting. As already you watched before that, I create this meeting for the English class from 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. and this is the meeting ID. So how to invite your student to the class? Click to in this invitation button, and then share this link to your student. So let's see what's inside this. This is Navid Hazara invite to this meeting, and this is the topic for the English class, and this is the time April 2 8 p.m. and this is the link of the invitation meeting that you can copy from here, and this is the meeting ID, and this is the password. So let's click to the start. What's inside in this? So the first time it will ask you to join with your computer audio or with the speaker. So I'm going to join with the computer audio and click this. Okay, this is the meeting topic, and also this is the host, and this is the password, and this is the invitation link. If you click in here, it will automatically copy it on your clipboard, and then you can share to your student, and your student can join with through this link to the meeting. So this is the participant ID. Okay, from here you can mute or unmute your audio. So from here you can also start or stop the video. So if you want to share your video or not. Okay, from here you can invite your student. There is two options for inviting your student. So contact and email. If you already added your friend as a contact, their name will appear in here, and then you can share the invitation link in here, and then your student will join to the class. And also you can invite your student through the email by default email, and also you can invite by Gmail, or you can invite them by Yahoo. So let's close this. Manage participant. If you click to this, it will open in this list. So now there is only one participant. If you have many participants, it will show the name of your participant in here. So let's close this. Share screen. If you click to in here, you have also this option. You can share your screen from here, and also if you want to use whiteboard, I really like this feature. And also if you want to share this the page that is open in your desktop. So let's open this whiteboard. If you share this, as you can see, it will open like this. So there is many options in here. So there is select all. There is if you want to write anything in here, and also if you want to draw something, and this is some shape. So if you want to draw a shape like this, or you want to have it cross, or also the tick, this is the eraser. If you click to any of them, it will erase this. From here you can change the color. For example, I want to change to red, so let's draw. So let's draw by this, like this, and free, or you can use the line like this. It's up to you. From here you can undo and redo. From here you can delete, and from here you can clear all drawing, and also you can clear my drawing, or you want to clear the viewer drawing. It's up to you. And also you can save all the drawing or text from here. If you want to save this, it's up to you. So let's back to the again to the screen. Let's close this. Reaction. Okay, from here you can react to someone's talking. So let's jump to the more. There is a chat. So let's open the chat. From here you can control to chat public or private. Now there is only one participant. If there is many participants, there is if you select to the chat with the host, or you can chat with the specific participant, you can select from here, and then you can chat only with the person who you selected. And also from here you can share the file. You can share from your computer, you can share from box or drive, or you can share OneDrive or Dropbox. It's up to you. Okay, from here you can save and control the chat. You can save the chat, and also participant can chat with no one, host only, everyone publicly, or everyone publicly and privately. It's up to you to allow your participant to chat public or private, chat with the host only or no one. Record on this computer. If you want to record this meeting in this screen, you can record this if you click to this. So now it's recording. if you want to pause the record, or if you want to stop the record. So I'm going to stop this, and it will and lastly, from here you can expand and full screen if you want to. So let's see what's inside the contact. There are 4 group: started, external, app, cloud, contact. That still I don't have any contact in here. This is the end of this tutorial. For the advanced settings, see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.